Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable character hints typing feedback on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So if you have a newer version of the iOS or a maybe older version or another iPhone, this is all going to work the same. So let's go to the settings, then go to the accessibility, then to the spoken content, and then to the typing feedback. Once you're here, you're going to find the second option, the character hints, and what this is, now if you type something on your keyboard, you are going to find alpha, the character hints. So A is alpha, P is pepper,
Lima, Echo.
And as you can see, you're going to get the spoken character hints. As you can hear, sorry, you're going to get the spoken character hints of what you're typing right now. And also, if you turn on this feature, as you can see, now you have the character feedback delay, and now you can adjust it to be like instantly.
India, Oscar.
As you can hear, or you can set the delay for how many milliseconds or even seconds you want to have. So let's say I want to have 2 seconds delay. So if I press something,
Oscar.
after 2 seconds I'm going to get the character hint. So the delay is going to be really big, but if I adjust it to, let's say, 0.2, it is going to be, or 0.25, almost instantly,
Oscar.
as you can hear. So I don't know if you can hear this, maybe.
Oscar. Oscar.
I guess you can hear it. Maybe I'm going to do this louder a little bit.
Oscar.
So you're going to hear it definitely. So if you have this button swipe to the right, it means that this feature is on. Now it is off. And again, how to get to the settings. Go to the settings, then accessibility, then spoken content, and here go to the typing feedback. And once you're here, just make sure that you turn on this feature. Also, you can turn on this feature with the characters together. So you're going to get the, for example, A alpha, as you could hear. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.